So I also found this in that same hole. I'm assuming that's a very old baby pitchfork. It wouldn't have been a very wide pitchfork. Let me know what you think. Doesn't have any writing or stamping on it. The head here is kind of mushroomed out just a little bit, and you can tell somebody's been hitting on it. I think it's definitely homemade, just by how this is terribly uneven. I don't know, what do you think? Think I should clean it up more? Or do you think I should just maybe fine tune the point, leave the rest of it to kind of give it a little bit of character? Let me know what you think. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you'd like, and subscribe. I need subscribers. Let's see what this thing looks like. It's been sitting overnight. I don't expect a drastic change, but this is kind of a curing process when you do this bluing, and it prevents it from rusting anymore. So you blue it, oil it, and then continue to oil it, and it won't rust. It's pretty durable. Another punch to add to the collection. I think it turned out pretty good. Not sure if you guys can see the texture. Probably left maybe an 1/8 inch tip there. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.